Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today guess what we're gonna do? Box braids. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do box braids with these colors. I know like this colors is not the best, but we'll manage. It's last minute, so we're gonna have to manage, you know. So this is what we're gonna be using, and I think I have like 3 packets here. Three packets here, or four packets. So I'm gonna attempt to use only 4 packets because I don't have any more, but if it's an emergency then I'll have to use like I'll go and buy a black one, then use that one to fill the rest of it. So as you can see, I straightened my hair. So the first thing I'm gonna do, obviously I brushed it, so I'm gonna take a comb. I'm gonna take a comb and then comb out my hair, like even the back, comb it out. Then I'm gonna separate the hair and the line, and I'm gonna come back after I've separated like the back of the head. Okay, this is as straight as possible I can get the back with no mirror, because who obviously has a mirror to look at the back? So this is as straight as possible. I don't know where the line like is heading, if it's straight or not, but I have a feeling it's not. So we're just gonna have to deal with it, you know, for the meantime. Then I'm gonna take a comb, then attempt to part all of it, like some of it. So we're gonna go like this, like part all of it. That's it. Braid. Then you braid. So we're gonna repeat that till I'm done with the whole hair, till I've parted the whole hair. So yeah, so now that I am done, I feel like I made a mess. I really have a feeling that I made a hell of a mess back here. But normally it's just like that. It's time to hear me sing, hear me cry about my hair in the middle of the night. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna quickly go look in the mirror, I mean at the back, and come back and see if it's right before I start braiding, obviously. So see you when I come back. Well, it turns out it looked as straight as we can get it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take one of these. I got this from Shein. So if you guys want to know, yeah, it's Shein. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm just trying to keep my videos like not longer than 10 minutes. Actually lesser than 10 minutes, because it takes a lot of energy and time, and nobody wants to be sitting in front of the camera and talking to nobody. It makes you crazy. It really makes you crazy. In the long run, it makes you crazy. So here it is. Here's how long it is, like. So we're gonna take some of the braiding hair, some, because I don't want them big. So we're gonna take like this amount, depending on how huge you want them. I don't want them that big. I like my braids small. So we're gonna take this like this. And I'm gonna turn around, then show you how to grip. So you're gonna take this one, yeah, pass it through like this, then you hold the hair, take one, yeah, like that. Just like that. Just like that. You see? Not that hard. Not that hard. Okay, so this turned out to be big. Okay, maybe we'll reduce the next one. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done with this one to show you how to grip. And I'm gonna repeat this like 4 or 5 times till you get it, of course. Okay, my people, so we are back again. And again, I'm gonna show you guys. I hope you're seeing. You take the hair, you grip. You see, step by step. Step by step. Like that. Step by step. I mean, like, it wasn't that hard, was it? It wasn't. I know. It's not. My practice makes man perfect. I'm not perfect either. Well, none of us is, but you know, practice makes man perfect. So, okay, guys. So I'm done with the two. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done braiding the hair. Stay tuned to know how it looks at the end. Okay guys, so I'm back again, and I've done like back here, not that much, but it's something. So I was gonna show you guys how to braid back closer. So here we go. So let's like this. You take the hair, right? Like go like this, then underneath your hair. Do you have it like a grip like this? A grip. Then you like put your hair. And you just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Not so complicated, just like that. Just like that. If I look here, what's happening? See? How complicated. Just like that. See, that's exactly how you do it. And that's exactly how you do it. Yeah, nothing that complicated. It's not even that complicated. So you can just So I'm gonna come back when I'm done with the hair. Or some of it left a little bit more like this much. So I'm gonna go and come back when I'm done with the hair. So see you guys, bye bye. So yeah, I'm done with like half of it, more than half. This is looking pretty good. And here's how the back looks like. Here's how the back looks like. It's not supposed to look perfect, so yeah. So now it's only this one left. Then I'll go and sleep, then continue the next day. So once more, let me show you how it's made. You wrap the hair like this. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay guys, so welcome back, and today like it's the next day. So this is what I've managed to do off camera. This is how much I've managed to do off camera, because I need as much as possible done before 2 o'clock. I'm gonna be away before 2 o'clock. So I need as much as possible done. And there's this much left. I don't know if you guys can see with the bad lights and everything here. But it's as much as I'm done. I'm pretty satisfied, but I don't know. Turns out that these ones weren't gonna be enough for the whole head. I knew it. So then I realized I had like this whole blonde ones there, so I'm gonna just use these ones to fill it in, then use the rest of the black one to fill it in the front. So I'm gonna use these ones for the middle, and I'm just gonna fill those ones in the front so it looks normal on this. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done to show you guys the final look. Guys, stay tuned for this, the final look. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel if you haven't already. I'm new to this, so I want you guys support and love. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be back very soon. Okay guys, so I'm back again, and it's now one left, so I'm gonna just go ahead. I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it up, then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like when I'm done. Alright guys, so now I'm done with the hair, and this is how it turned out. I really love how it turned out because I didn't imagine that it would turn out this good. Like, look at this. So thank you guys so much. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.